Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Maybe.
Now I can't see you. I can't see you. Yeah.
Okay, good.
You
Okay.
look familiar.
Yeah,
I
we've
think I have
spoken
seen you
before.
before.
Yeah.
Have we met before?
Yeah, we did a video, but it was about maybe a year ago.
Oh, maybe someone like just look like me. I'm not sure.
No, you are like you know Marcelo, right? Marcelo from YouTube?
Yeah, I know Marcelo. Yeah.
Yeah. Check
Uh-huh.
your channel. We've done a video together.
I know who you are. I was
Oh my
avoiding you.
Really? Oh my god. I was gonna say you forgot me.
Oh, of course. How can I
no.
forget you? No, I had like more than 5 sessions with you.
Oh my god. 5? No, like 2 or something.
No, I'm pretty sure. Maybe
Yeah.
you can see it.
Oh yeah. No, I can only see the last time we spoke.
Yeah, I have a bad memory, you know.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's horrible. Are you okay? Since last time we spoke?
Yeah, thank God, I'm okay.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Like, I think since last time we spoke, I've moved apartments. Before I was
Yeah.
living, with my boyfriend's family. Now I'm living
Yeah.
in my own place with my boyfriend.
Congrats
So-
for you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a lot better, you know. Have you moved
Yeah.
house, or this is where you've always been?
Yeah, this is my house. Always been there.
Oh, okay. I don't recognize the backgrounds.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I have changed some stuff like the background and
Yeah.
I improved like the lights in order I'm a
Yeah.
YouTuber, so I have to be in a good shape for my audience,
Yeah, of course. You have to try and make it look good. Yeah.
Yeah, some changes from time to time.
Yeah. You have a lot of chairs as well.
I have, sorry, what?
You have a lot of chairs. Chairs.
Exactly. Yeah.
Is it a YouTube chair? Like a YouTube cushion, I mean? Your cushion?
Yeah, a YouTube cushion.
Yeah, like with
actually,
the play
it's
button.
with the play button. It's handmade.
Oh,
My
wow.
my mom made this for me.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. Yeah, I can't believe you pretended to not know me. I actually believed you. Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because sometimes
means-
I forget, when I speak to so many people, I forget
Yeah.
who I've spoken to sometimes. So I thought maybe you did the same thing, but
or maybe you got confused. Like maybe he's like the person is just look like
looks
him.
like someone. No, you have a very specific appearance. Like your your appearance is unique. Do you understand?
I got you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
Yeah. Like, I don't know why, but I guess I've seen your YouTube channel, so like your
Yeah.
face sticks in my
Yeah,
head in this
I
way.
guess maybe I guess I have sent you like some videos.
Yeah. How is your channel going?
Yeah, it's going fabulous.
It's going well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's many people now on Cambly who are doing YouTube videos, like
Yeah.
obviously Marcelo, you, and many other people that they're just starting out. It's nice. I guess
Yeah.
like, do you do it? Why do you do it? For like to help other people, or like do you live on it? In terms of like an income.
It's all start like I post like my first video. It was for fun. And,
Yeah.
like showing off the people, like, hey, I'm speaking English.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I got like many comments, like people encouraged me. Okay.
Mhm.
So they were motivating me, and as well as I motivate myself.
Yeah.
So I got so many comments like these videos will help us to learn from you and from your mistakes. So thank you, and thanks for sharing these videos, and hope to see you again with another videos.
Oh, yeah, so that encourages you to do more and more on the channel. Yeah. Is it enough for you to live off it? You know, you have another job, I guess, as well.
Yeah.
On the side. Yeah. I guess maybe you need to have like 100,000 subscribers before it's able to become your job. I don't know, but
you have to make like 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watched our time.
Oh yeah, my friend told me that actually, because he's like started a channel as well for like languages, same as you, but more than just English, because he speaks so many languages. But he's starting out, but I think he said it takes a long time before you can become like successful, I guess, with the channel. At the start it's just making it for fun. Kind of.
You know, sometimes people they want to watch like funny stuff, you know. So is it okay if they learn this stuff through like funny learn English through funny ways, you know? Sometimes I prank my tutors. Sometimes I like give them like jokes and tell them jokes.
So like you did with me.
You know, these expressions and words will stick with them, you know, for the rest of their life.
Yeah, for sure. So your channel, I get it. Your channel is more like to encourage people, to make them realize English can be fun and stuff like that. You should maybe do pranks as well. You know, actual pranks, like big things on people.
You know, there's a website. It's called Omegle. I'm pretty sure you have heard about it.
This.
You know, I made some videos about Omegle and the pranks, but you know,
oh really?
My English it's not like good as much as they have, you know. So
it's hard for you.
It's hard for me because they use like more slang, you know.
Oh yeah, so you're trying to do a prank and you don't understand what they're saying or something.
So I'm trying with my tutors nowadays, you know, in order to get a new level.
That's funny. I don't like Omegle. What is Omegle for though? It was just like to chat with anyone, right?
Talk to the stranger and have a conversation.
I find that weird. Like, do people do that?
Especially the teenagers.
I guess when I was a teenager people did that, but sometimes it was seen as like dangerous, you know, because you don't know who can be on the ends of the phone.
And sometimes maybe it will be like annoying, because you know some people they don't behave good with the others, you know.
They just go on there to annoy people or something.
Exactly.